Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of investments with a unique analogy: winemaking. We're gonna uncork some serious knowledge here, folks. Just like a winemaker takes decades to perfect their craft, investors must also embrace the long game to achieve consistent outperformance and profits. You can't just go out there expecting to become the Domaine de la Romane Conti of investing overnight. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of learning. Let's be real, folks, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building a portfolio that can weather any storm, just like a sturdy vine that's seen its fair share of seasons. And that's what we're going to explore today. How to cultivate your investment strategy like a master winemaker. We're going to break it down into 3 essential lessons every investor should know. So buckle up, grab your tasting notes, and get ready for some serious investment insights. Listen up, because this is crucial. The first phase of your investing journey is all about learning. And let me tell you, it's a marathon, not a sprint. You're laying the groundwork for long-term success, just like preparing the soil for a vineyard. You're not going to become a master sommelier overnight, and you're not going to become a master investor overnight either. This initial phase is all about embracing the learning curve. You're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. It's how you learn and adapt. Remember, even the best winemakers had to start somewhere. They didn't just magically know how to blend the perfect Cabernet Sauvignon. They spent years studying, experimenting, and refining their craft. Think of this phase as your apprenticeship in the vineyards of the market. You're learning about different asset classes, understanding risk and volatility, and figuring out your own investment style. It's about tasting different vintages, so to speak, and developing your palate for what makes a good investment. And just like a winemaker needs to understand the terroir, the climate, and the grapes, you need to understand the market cycles, the economic landscape, and the companies you're investing in. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Do your research and learn from your experiences. Remember, folks, this initial learning phase is the foundation upon which you'll build your investment success. It's about developing the skills, knowledge, and mindset that will guide you through the ups and downs of the market. So embrace the journey, and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Alright folks, you've put in the time, you've learned the ropes, and now it's time to step into your role as a true investing winemaker. Just like a seasoned vintner, you're ready to start crafting your own vintage portfolio. You're taking all that knowledge, all that experience, and you're turning it into something truly special. Remember those grapes we talked about? Well, now it's time to harvest. You're selecting the best investments, the companies with strong fundamentals, the ones that are built to last. You're looking for those hidden gems, those undervalued treasures that are just waiting to be discovered. This is where your patience and discipline really come into play. Just like a winemaker carefully monitors the fermentation process, you need to stay focused on your long-term goals and not get sidetracked by short-term market fluctuations. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning portfolio. And just like a fine wine needs time to age and develop its complex flavors, your portfolio needs time to mature and generate those sweet returns. Don't expect to get rich quick. Real wealth is built over time, through careful planning, diversification, and a long-term perspective. So embrace this phase, folks. Be the master of your investment destiny. Craft your portfolio with care, nurture it with patience, and watch it grow into something truly exceptional. Remember, you're not just investing in companies, you're investing in your future. Now let's talk about the big picture, folks, the overarching philosophy that ties everything together, playing the long game. This isn't about chasing after the latest hot stock tip or trying to time the market. It's about understanding that true investment success is a marathon, not a sprint. Think about it like this. A fine wine doesn't reach its peak overnight. It takes years, sometimes even decades of careful aging to develop those rich, complex flavors that make it so valuable. And just like a fine wine, your portfolio needs time to breathe, to mature, to reach its full potential. Playing the long game means tuning out the noise, the daily market gyrations, the endless stream of financial news that can send your head spinning. It means sticking to your investment plan, even when the market gets bumpy. Remember, volatility is a natural part of the market cycle. It's like the changing seasons in a vineyard. You wouldn't abandon your vines just because of a little rain or a heat wave, would you? Embrace the long game, folks, and you'll be amazed at the results. You'll weather the market storms with confidence, knowing that your portfolio is built on a solid foundation. You'll be able to sleep soundly at night, knowing that you're invested for the long haul. So be patient, be disciplined, and remember, the long game is the only game in town. It's the key to unlocking your financial freedom and achieving your investment goals. And that, my friends, is something worth toasting to. Thanks for watching. Remember, just like fine wine, great investments take time. Embrace the journey, play the long game, and you'll see the rewards. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You're in it for the long haul. Don't get spooked by short-term market hiccups. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and let your investments mature like a fine vintage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Cheers to your investment success.